Hi there, today we are going to be making some sourdough biscuits. It's an easy recipe that you will enjoy. Easy to follow recipe will be down in the description box. 2 cups of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder. I used ghee and buttermilk for this recipe. You can use butter, but I like ghee. Ghee is so delicious. Mix in the ghee well before adding wet ingredients. A cup of sourdough starter, fed overnight, and added to that. Some honey right there. And some buttermilk. Mix it all up. Mix it till everything is incorporated. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Mix it up. Handle the dough gently because we don't want a stiff dough. With biscuits, you want it fluffy, you want it airy, you don't want it like bread. So it's always a good thing to be gentle with your dough. No over mixing. Just gently mixing until all the flour is incorporated. It should be like a shaggy look, not a wet look. And that's it. And then we're going to flip it over onto the mat and we're going to bring it together and we're going to cut out our biscuits. You can cut out your biscuits any size you want. I made these biscuits thick, but you should be able to get at least 6 to 8 pieces out of it if you cut it really small. But who wants really small biscuits anyway? Thick biscuits are better, don't you think? Gently fold it over itself and press it down to create layers. So you can do that 2-3 times, depends on what you're doing, but don't overdo it. Before you cut out your biscuits, or way before you even start mixing your dough, put your oven on at 425 Fahrenheit. You want that oven hot and ready to go. We're going to brush the tops with some buttermilk. Just the tops, don't brush the sides. We just want the tops. Into the oven it goes. And take a look at these beauties. These are piping hot. Spread some honey and butter on top. Until next time, bon appetit!